Hey there, dessert enthusiasts and kitchen adventurers. Today, we're taking a trip to Thailand without leaving our kitchens. Get ready to make Thai red ruby dessert, a pretty Thai red water chestnut treat that you will remember for a long time. Introducing the Thai red ruby, or Tub Tim Grob, as the Thai locals call it. Here's what we'll need for our gem-making session. Water chestnuts, the unsung heroes of crunch. Tapioca flour, it's like fairy dust but edible. Red food coloring, because rubies aren't green, duh. Coconut milk, the creamier the better. Sugar, sweet like your personality. Pandan leaves, the secret weapon of Southeast Asian cuisine. Gula melaka or palm sugar. Jackfruit. Crushed ice, because we're too fancy for regular ice.
Water chestnuts are not nuts but aquatic vegetables that grow in marshes and ponds. They have a crisp, white flesh with a mildly sweet flavor and are used in Asian cuisine for their unique crunchy texture.
Jackfruit is a large, tropical fruit native to Southeast Asia, known for its distinctive spiky exterior and sweet, fibrous flesh. When ripe, it has a sweet flavor reminiscent of pineapple, banana, and mango.
Now, let's get our ruby on. Step 1. Dice those water chestnuts. Cut jackfruit into thin strips. This is an optional add-on. Step 2. Mix diced water chestnuts with sugar and red food coloring. It's like making edible Play-Doh, but don't eat it yet. Step 3. Add tapioca flour and coat the chestnuts. Mixed well. Repeat the coating process. Step 3. A. Add water, pandan leaves, and gula melaka, palm sugar, and bring to a boil. This step is also optional. Step 4. Boil water and drop in your rubies. They'll float when they're ready, like your spirits after eating this dessert. Step 5. Ice bath time. It's like a spa day for your rubies. Step 6. Now scoop the red rubies to an empty bowl. Let's add the coconut milk, jackfruit, palm sugar syrup, and shaved ice. Step 7. Voila! You've just created an icy and crunchy red dessert that's cooler than anything you've seen. Take a bite and transport yourself to a Thai beach. No passport required, just a spoon and a sense of adventure. If this gem of a dessert has you sparkling with joy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your sweet tooth will thank you later. Until next time, stay cool and keep it sweet.